Some homes aren't just places to live. They're statements of power, wealth, and history. These mansions aren't built to impress guests. They're built to redefine what luxury even means. From vertical palaces to historic royal estates, these are the 7 biggest mansions on Earth, and some of them are so massive they feel almost unreal. Let's start with number 7, Antilia, India. Rising above Mumbai's skyline, Antilia isn't just a mansion, it's a vertical palace. Owned by billionaire Mukesh Ambani and his family, this private residence has 27 stories, each one designed with custom interiors and ultra-luxury materials. Inside, you'll find multiple swimming pools, a full health spa, a private movie theater, and entire floors dedicated to parking luxury cars. With an estimated value of over $2 billion, Antilia redefines modern living by stacking luxury straight into the sky. Number 6. Villa Leopolda, France. Located on the French Riviera, Villa Leopolda stretches across 50 acres of meticulously maintained gardens overlooking the Mediterranean. Originally built for King Leopold II of Belgium, this estate is legendary for its beauty and scale. With multiple swimming pools, expansive terraces, and a full staff dedicated solely to maintaining its grounds, the villa's estimated value sits around $750 million. It's not just a home, it's one of Europe's most iconic symbols of old world wealth. Number 5. Fairfield Pond, United States. Set in the Hamptons, New York, Fairfield Pond is a massive American estate owned by the Tobin family. Covering 63 acres, the mansion includes 29 bedrooms, multiple swimming pools, tennis courts, and even a private marina. With an estimated value of $248 million, Fairfield Pond represents the scale of American luxury. Sprawling, private, and built for excess. Number 4. The One, UAE. Often referred to simply as The One. This modern mega mansion in Dubai spans approximately 100,000 square feet. Designed for ultimate opulence, it features nightclubs, private theaters, indoor pools, and advanced smart home technology throughout the property. With a reported value of $500 million, this home is engineered for luxury at every level, blending futuristic design with elite comfort. Number 3. Whitenhurst, United Kingdom. Located in London, Whitenhurst is the largest private residence in the UK, containing over 90 rooms. The mansion includes grand halls, a private cinema, and even a rooftop terrace overlooking the city. Spanning more than 5 acres, Whitenhurst rivals Buckingham Palace in scale. With an estimated value of $450 million, it stands as a powerful example of British aristocratic luxury. Number 2. Peterhof Palace, Russia. Often called the Russian Versailles, Peterhof Palace near St. Petersburg is a masterpiece of imperial design. Built for Peter the Great, the palace features over 300 rooms, grand fountains, and vast gardens that stretch for miles. Although its cultural value is priceless, its estimated worth exceeds $1 billion. The palace remains one of the most breathtaking examples of royal extravagance ever constructed. And finally, number 1. Versailles Palace, France. The Palace of Versailles is the ultimate symbol of luxury, power, and history. Built for King Louis XIV, the estate spans over 2,000 acres, with endless gardens, fountains, and more than 700 rooms, including the famous Hall of Mirrors. Though its true value can't be measured, estimates place it at over $2 billion. Versailles isn't just the biggest mansion in the world, it's one of the most iconic structures ever built by humanity. So here's the real question. If you could walk through just one of these mansions, which would you choose?